Hello everybody, and happy spooky season to everybody watching. It is Pixel, and today we're going to be making brownies for this. But for that we're going to need a container of funfetti, preferably frosting. I got green because Halloween. Some Halloween candy toppers, a box of brownie mix, the oil and water and 2 eggs that go into our brownies, about a half a bag of milk chocolate chips, some pre-made cookies, or of course you can make your own, and a container of Oreos. I have picked the orange Halloween ones. That's all you're going to need. This is going to be a fast and easy fun recipe, so let's go. One of the first steps to being able to assemble our brownie concoctions will be to mix up the brownie mix. And I've already put my 2/3 cup of oil, my 3 tablespoons of water, and my 2 eggs into our mixture. Now we're going to be mixing those up. We'll be right back when that's finished. Alright, an assembly is going to consist of pressing our cookie dough into the bottom of our pan, adding in our case, our Halloween Oreos. Once the Oreos are spread all over our pan, we will put down our layer of milk chocolate. And last but not least, before we bake them, we will be adding in our brownie mix. And of course, be smoothing it over with our spatula. And once our brownies are topping it, we're going to be putting it into our oven for 30 minutes at 350. And I'll be back in a little bit. And when the brownies and the rest of it is all done baking together, we're going to let it sit and cool to room temperature. Alright, our brownie mixtures have stood and cooled for a while. Now it's time to get out our green goop and put it on. So what's the best part? Putting on an inch of frosting. Literally what you get to do. Once your brownies have a nice covering of your frosting, be that green like mine or whatever color you want on them, we're going to dive into our little sprinkles. Got some bats. Actually, those look like little witches' hats. I'm sorry. Got some tombstones. Got some colorful little bats. Got some eyeballs. Some bones and little dots. Last but not least, we've got some sugary pumpkins to throw on top. So I'm going to put a few more of these out, and we'll be right back to try it out. Alright, best part is here. We are going to try out our gooey brownies. Now, they didn't set up as much as I'd like, so maybe we should have baked them probably 35 to 40 minutes. But what's done is done, and I didn't find out till I cut them. And that's okay sometimes. Mistakes happen. Well, I'm going to try to get a little piece of one of them, see if all the layers are there, and try it on out. So, here we go. Well, they are definitely sweet. They're going to be a good addition to any Halloween party. And mine turned out a little too gooey, but they're still good. Hey, maybe the gooey is what you're looking for. It could be a messy component to a nice Halloween party. You could probably even dish it up and have it with a spoon if it goes to it. But either way that you choose to cook them, they're pretty good. I think if I made them again, I might make a few changes and home make some of the things that are in it, which you can still choose to do. Either way, they're pretty good, and I'd figure out a fun way to do them next year probably. So to everybody watching, you have a happy Halloween, if it's not already, and a safe one. I hope you decide to make these at some point. And I will see you in the next video.